And Vidya ji?
I, like last so many months, I've been looking for something for something to do in my life, like which is on my terms. Like I want a job, but I've been having some challenges finding a job because I've been on a break for like nearly 3 years now, and getting a job, after 3 years, after a break at this age, and all those things, it's like it's not been easy. And today I had an interview, and I was not sure how it is going to go, but they told me exactly what I wanted. Like I wanted a part-time job, I wanted a decent payment, and it should be like not more than 20 hours a week. And they said, yes, we want you for 3 months for 20 hours a week. It will be on contract. If things go well, then we will extend it for 1 year. And it was like, oh my god, this is what I exactly want. And I was feeling like, is it really true? मतलब मैंने 3 साल से ये मतलब कोशिश बहुत की है, लेकिन आज हुआ. Like I could not, I don't know what to say, right?
Wow. This is really amazing. मतलब मुझे खुद ही सरप्राइज हो रहा है. So I'm so glad for you. Wow.
And they were like really बहुत ही मुझे मतलब it is a miracle for me, because मैंने ऐसा सोचा भी नहीं था कि ऐसा कुछ.
So let's all congratulate her because she is actually a magician. मुझे तो बहुत हंसी भी आ रही है and खुशी भी हो रही है. So let's celebrate for her.